sa mga patakaran ko ay pwede nang umalis.
Uy, sandali lang. Umiikot lang kami.
Ang pangalan ko ay... Lakambini Fundador.
Wow, pare. Hard drinks beauty pala yan eh.
Sino ang nagsabi ng salawikain na ang hindi marunong magmahal sa sariling wika ay daig pa sa bilasang isda?
Ma'am?
Uy, dali-dali naman yan eh. Si Berta nagtitinda ng isda sa palengke.
Anong pangalan mo?
Jose Rizal.
Niloloko mo ba ako?
No, ma'am. Si Aling Berta na nagtitinda ng isda sa palengke ang nagsabi sa akin na si Jose Rizal ang nagsabi niyan.
Quiet!
Mrs. Bundador, akala ko ba walang Inglesan dito?
Anong misis? Hindi pa ako misis!
Ay, hindi raw Mrs. Biyuda to, biyuda. Biyuda.
Walang yaka!
Pinakiusap lang kayo ni Attorney Agaton, kaya namin kayo tinanggap dito. Alam kong kaso ninyo at gusto namin kayong tulungan. Kaya kung hindi kayo magpapakatino, ay mapipilitan akong isuspindi kayo. O kaya i-expel. Kaya mabuti pa ay magpakahusay na kayo mula ngayon. You better watch your step. Kung hindi, hindi kayo matatapos ng high school. You may go now.
Ay, ano ginagawa mo?
Eh, sabi ni Principal, watch your step daw eh.
Ang bira naman oh.
Stop that!
Morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Today, you are going to have the greatest entertainment. You already have your assignment, and you are going to recite the famous Lincoln's Gettysburg Address. Remember, you will be graded on diction, delivery, and feelings like this. 7 years ago, our fathers brought forth in this continent a new nation conceived in liberty and dedicated
To my loved one.
to my loved one. Stop fooling around! What are you doing? Prepare yourself. Remember, you will be graded on diction, delivery, and feelings.
Einstein, anong Gettysburg Address?
Absent kasi kayo ng absent eh. Ngayon, tatanong-tanong kayo.
Basta natawag ako, tulungan mo ko.
Jeffrey Soriano, you may begin
Yes.
reciting Lincoln's Gettysburg Address from memory.
Ako, sinasabi ko na eh. Einstein, eto na. Game na.
Anong game? Anong gagawin ko?
Madali lang. Basta i-recite mo, ililipsing ko.
Ha?
Einstein, simulan mo na.
7 years ago, our fathers brought forth to this continent a new nation, conceived in liberty and dedicated to the proposition that all men are created equal. Now, we are engaged in a great... Aray! Ka naman, oh.
Sorry. Go ahead. Continue.
Einstein, continue raw.
Now, we are engaged in a great civil war, testing whether that nation, or any nation so conceived and so dedicated,
Mr. Einstein, why are you covering your mouth? Put down your hand. Jeffrey Soriano, all right. Go ahead. Continue.